close eye on our Tower Cam HD downtown Houston, just in time for your commute home. Everybody walking outside, and they might be getting soaked.
Big time deluge just to the north of downtown, and some of that rain is falling downtown now, so a lot of commuters are going to have some problems here. Notice how the clouds slope downward. That's a sign of some rain-cooled air that is rushing out from underneath that storm and pressing southward. So it wouldn't surprise me if we saw a little bit more development off to the south, and we're already starting to see that down the Gulf Freeway near Hobby Airport. But the bulk of the rain, for sure, is from I-10 northward. So we'll zoom down a little closer to downtown. Downtown itself, just on the edge of the very heavy rain, which extends along I-10 east from downtown and west from downtown, with the heaviest rain along TC Jester and over toward Timber Grove Manor, lifting northwestward between 290 and the North Freeway. This is the part of town from Fairbanks to Jersey Village to Cypress. It's already picked up 2 to 3 inches of rain, and you are under a flood advisory, meaning that you can expect some ponding in low spots and local roadways. So along 249, we have that heavy rain as well. The thunder, the lightning present as well in this storm. We are starting to see some of that lightning die down a little bit in and around Tomball, but picking up in southwestern Montgomery County. Very heavy rain falling along Pinehurst, and all of this is lifting off to the north. Notice widespread showers north of I-10. Not as much activity to the south. That's because south of I-10 the air is rain-cooled from earlier thunderstorms where temperatures have been sitting in the 70s through much of the day. Looking at some area airport rainfall totals, Galveston, Schofield almost picking up 2 inches of rain today, about 1/4 of an inch in Pearland, and in Houston about 1/2 inch so far in Tomball, with more coming down. And on that northwestern corner of Houston and Harris County, 2 to 3 inches has fallen in just the past couple of hours. So go back to our live tower cam showing downtown with the looming clouds overhead. 80 degrees for now at Bush Airport, but once that rain sets in, it'll quickly dip down into the 70s. Meanwhile, in Galveston, things are drying out rather nicely with some leftover clouds in the upper levels. 81 is the current temperature. The wind reported as calm. Again, we have this very deep, moist air flowing in from the Gulf, meeting up with the front over the central part of the state. You can see where that rain-cooled air from the front is meeting up and generating some very heavy rain showers here between Dallas and Austin across the hill country. And notice the widespread clouds and rain in the northwestern part of the state. Behind this front, it's in the 60s and the 50s. Lubbock has been in the 50s all day long. Amarillo just climbed out of the 50s. The reason we have lower temperatures ahead of the front is because of all the rain. Otherwise, it would be in the upper 80s at the south. Pinpoint feature track shows that we should see the loss of a lot of that rain by 10 o'clock tonight. Most of it is driven by the heat of the day. But with that front blowing in here tomorrow and a little bit of daytime heating, we're likely to see another round of widespread rain showers. So this evening, 76 by 10 with scattered thunder showers diminishing. A few showers still possible overnight, and then everything recharges and picks back up again tomorrow. Rain is likely. We've increased the chance to 70% with more rain coming this weekend. But we're not expecting the weekend to be a total washout. We'll let you know when your best chances of seeing some sunshine will be coming up in your 7-day forecast.
Okay, Travis, thank you very much. Now, from